This is a particular point of time where people get the max confusion. हमारे पास एक रैंक है, हमारे पास अब ये है कि अब हमें कुछ करना है, but what should we do?
Surgical branches, probably you need to stand long hours in the theater operating especially complicated cases. Medical branches में you don't need to stand for long hours.
इसमें scope नहीं है. So what do you say about the scope of branches? And if a person is not choosing the primary branch, let's say they are not getting it.
Yeah. What is critical care? Basically medicine ही है. Medicine for a specialized population.
Absolutely.
Those who need the doctors to be on the foot.
Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Sanchit Bajpai, your ENT faculty, and I welcome you all to the PW MedEd podcast. And I have with me an esteemed medical faculty and also your favorite, Dr. Santosh sir. Welcome sir to the podcast.
It's my pleasure, sir.
So आज हम normal academic बातें नहीं करेंगे. Let us talk something more important as of today's scenario, क्योंकि exams हो चुके हैं, हो रहे हैं, and you know this is a particular point of time where people get the max confusion कि you know हमें रैंक मिल गई, हमारे पास एक रैंक है, हमारे पास अब ये है कि अब हमें कुछ करना है, but what should we do? Should we do an MS? Should we do MD? Should we do DNB? कौन से कॉलेज जाना है? There's government college, there are private colleges. What should we do? And how should we do? How should we approach it? Because बहुत सारे you know you must have receiving a lot of queries from students कि अब सर करें क्या, क्योंकि अब एग्जाम तो निकल गया. और मेरे ख्याल से ये सबसे बड़ा डिफिकल्ट पार्ट है, क्योंकि अब जो भी कोई भी कुछ भी लेगा that will decide their life.
Yeah.
So sir, I'll just give you one of the queries because I think you will be the best person to answer. Abhi, you know, recently I got pinged up by a student, and the student is from Calcutta. He says that I have secured a rank of 7,000, and that's a good rank in NEET PG. And ab is point of time pe till now I never realized whether I should do MD or MS. I knew I need a clinical branch. So he has decided non-clinical versus clinical. He is interested in clinical. Okay. But MD versus MS mein abhi bhi he has not decided should we go for an MD or should we go for an MS. So let me talk from the MD perspective. Sir, how do you see, you know, if a boy is confused at this particular juncture, what should be the approach in choosing an MD versus an MS branch?
Okay, so when it comes to choosing a branch, it all boils down to your personality. What kind of work and what kind of life you are aligned with. So as you know, you are from a surgical branch and I am from a medical branch. तो हमारी दुनिया थोड़ी बहुत अलग ही है. At least when it comes to clinical practice. So which kind of world you are aligned with should help you to choose whether you should go into medicine or surgery. अगर मैं medicine की बात करूँ तो then of course medical branches do not require you to stand for long hours.
Correct.
Like surgical branches, probably you need to stand long hours in the theater operating especially complicated cases. Medical branches में you don't need to stand for long hours. But another thing you may agree कि medical branches में there is lot more to read. I'm not saying about learn तो lot of hand skills are there in surgery as well. So learning is there everywhere, but reading is lot in medical branches because हर 2-3 महीने में गाइडलाइंस अपडेट होते हैं, न्यू ड्रग्स गेट लॉन्च, न्यू ड्रग्स गेट द FDA अप्रूवल, न्यू डायग्नोस्टिक मॉडलिटीज कम इन टू पिक्चर. सो वी नीड टू कीप अपडेटेड. सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग इन्वॉल्व. प्रोबेबली उतना रीडिंग सर्जिकल ब्रांचेस में शायद नहीं है, बट ऑफकोर्स यू नीड टू कीप इवॉल्विंग योर हैंड स्किल्स थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ. देन दूसरा क्या है, मेडिकल ब्रांचेस में बारिंग फ्यू, जैसे कि साइकेट्री कह सकता हूँ या डर्मेट कह सकता हूँ, बारिंग फ्यू देयर विल ऑलवेज बी वर्क फॉलोइंग यू इवन पोस्ट ड्यूटी. मीन्स घर जाए फिर भी एक इमरजेंसी कॉल आ सकता है, या तो एटलीस्ट टेलीफोनिकली आपको एड्रेस करना पड़ेगा प्रॉब्लम क्या है, और एट टाइम्स यू नीड टू वॉक इन टू द हॉस्पिटल बैक अगेन टू एड्रेस द इशू. सो मेडिकल में लॉट ऑफ रीडिंग इज़ देयर. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु एन्जॉय रीडिंग, यू आर अलाइंड विद कि हाँ मुझे आज कुछ पढ़ा नहीं तो रेस्टलेस फील करता हूँ, तो देन मेडिकल ब्रांचेस आर काइंड ऑफ राइट फॉर यू. बट एट द सेम टाइम इफ़ यू आर मोर इनटू हैंड स्किल्स, हाँ सूचर डालते वक्त थोड़ा बहुत डोपामिन बूस्ट हुआ था, हाँ, सो देन यू विल डेफिनेटली मिस दैट इनसाइड मेडिसिन. हाँ, आज मेडिसिन इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग ए इंटरवेंशनल रूट कि इफ़ यू गेट इनटू गैस्ट्रोएंट्रोलॉजी you may get the chances to intervene, endoscopic interventions and all. But still, holistically बताऊँ तो medicine is more about reading and applying that knowledge. So it's more of brain work than the
Than the hand.
hand work. So if you are someone who is who enjoys brain work than the hand work, medicine is for you. But if you're someone who enjoys the hand work, probably, or at least I feel कि अगर आपको hand work miss होगा, I will start missing it, then I think surgical branches are like made for you. So like
and,
what?
and this and I think यहाँ पे एक problem ये भी आती है that any student whenever they ask me is like whether they are even ready to take up a surgical branch or because they are getting a surgical branch they should take it. So इस point of juncture पे as sir very rightly said that हमेशा I also say that medicine is a branch where you need devotee type of learning. You need to just surrender yourself to the subject because there is so much to read. And then not only I'm covering about medicine over here, I'm talking about all medical branches, be it pediatrics, be it dermatology, be it psychiatry. And sir very rightly said that they differ according to the amount of hours post your duty has finished. Some subjects give you that leverage like dermatology and psychiatry where you don't have that many emergency duties. But general medicine, as per say pediatrics, you have to be on foot, especially in the earlier years of your career, and you will be definitely learning from each and every person that you meet. And it is a never-ending process. A medical professional reads till his grave, so it's something that will keep coming, and the future holds on to updating. So we'll keep updating. Now coming to certain amount of surgical branches. First, let me give a very small insight about surgical branches. I'm talking about all surgical branches per se. We broadly divide them into those surgical branches which have got more of gross work, and there are surgical branches which have got more of minute work, or I can say they have got microsurgical work, fine work. So I would say ENT and ophthalmology are towards a more microsurgical side, except for the part of ENT where we deal with oncological aspect, head and neck. General surgery, as per se, has more of gross work, and even orthopedics, obstetrics and gynecology, they have more of gross work. But if you take a general surgical life, I would say more or less everybody has got the same surgical life. Because surgical branches, that's what we have a saying that we don't choose surgical branches choose us. So we need to be accustomed. It's our way of living. That we are accustomed to those lifestyles. We are accustomed to long-standing hours in the OT. And एक बात इसमें है संतोष सर, I think that is something branch को financially they try to decide कि हम सर्जिकल ब्रांच ले लेते हैं तो थोड़ा ज्यादा पैसा मिल जाएगा, या वी शुड डू डर्मेटोलॉजी, इसमें हम जल्दी वील गेट मनी, या हम साइकेट्री ले लेते हैं बिकॉज इट इज बूमिंग राइट नाउ, और वी शुड टेक रेडियोलॉजी बिकॉज इंटरवेंशनल रेडियोलॉजी हैज कम. सो इज फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट is it too early to decide that a branch on the basis of a financial aspect?
See, to be very frank, the best in any field, I'm not only saying branches, not only saying about medical field, best in any field generally makes quite good revenue.
Correct.
So if you are a good ENT surgeon, you will definitely make good revenue. See, comparison only kills the joy of enjoying the process of making that money. So you don't have to compare. And see, first of all, we are not starting our earning journey on the same page. See, some people already have an established setup. So if let us say that I have an established ops gyne setup, तो अगर मैं ये फोमो में पढ़ के कि हाँ रेडियोलॉजी इज द वन जहाँ पे आज पैसा बन रहा है, एंड आई बिकम अ रेडियोलॉजिस्ट, and I go back to my established setup where my parents have made a name for being good ops gyne people, my radiology degree will not give me any head start.
Correct.
I have to start from scratch. But if I go back to the same setup as an ops gyne person, then I already have a head start.
Correct.
So making money is altogether a different art. So we don't have to marry it with the branch. Making money is a different thing and branch is a different thing. In fact, I know a lot of friends who pursue the branch for their passion, and they make a lot more money through non-medical ventures that they have done. They have invested money into like startups. Some are into investment banking. So we don't have to. To be very frank, we don't have to. And in fact, if you marry the branch in medicine, you're actually restricting how much money you can make.
Correct.
Because branch आपको इतना ही मतलब जो ऊपर नीचे का डिफरेंस है वो 20-25% होगा. इफ लेट अस से कि आपने ENT चूज़ किया और किसी और ने सर्जरी चूज़ किया, अगर सच में डिफरेंस है भी, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, अ सक्सेसफुल ENT can make as much as a successful general surgeon or more, or vice versa. A successful general surgeon may be able to make more than a ENT surgeon or vice versa. बट इफ़ यू से कि हाँ सिर्फ ब्रांच से ही पैसा बनाना है, सो देन यू आर लुकिंग एट few lakhs of rupees.
Correct. And you've narrowed your
Narrowed your
thinking.
ability to make money.
And you're in the wrong direction because
in
you're
the wrong
thinking
direction.
you're seeing the money over the branch.
Yeah.
You're seeing कि हाँ ठीक है I should do this much work only to create money. And that kills the enthusiasm inside you. And because it's important, and that's what sir is rightly saying कि scope doesn't depend upon the branch you choose, it depends upon the person who does it.
Yes.
It is upon you how much you put that effort into that branch, because even I've seen people earning crores of rupees more than the clinical branches being from non-clinical branches.
Exactly.
Because they have that enthusiasm to grow, they have that zeal to grow. So there is no small or big field here. We are talking about all fields which have equal. It all depends where you fit in according to what you want.
Exactly. Just to give you an example, I have a friend. He has done PSM. So now what do you expect? His revenue should be less than a clinician, or as much as, or more?
So seeing what people think, people will think PSM revenue should be lesser than what a clinical side is.
Yeah. So he started a digital portal where, see, now research is booming. Everyone wants to publish papers. Unke naam ke niche, they want to feel like author, published author and all. So they published. Gathering data is not a big deal. Data process karna hi the main thing is when it comes to scientific research, right? So his portal helps people who want to publish. Help in the sense you provide him the data, statistical analysis वगैरह उनके पोर्टल करके आपको दे देगी. So आपका काम सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया, but he is also making revenue out of it. Because he thought laterally. उसने हाँ ये नहीं सोचा कि हाँ मैं PSM हूँ तो मुझे मेडिकल कॉलेज जाना है, वहाँ पे जो सैलरी मिलेगा वहाँ पे मेरी जर्नी मतलब अर्निंग खत्म हो जाती है. No, he thought laterally. So now he makes more than many of my clinician batchmates.
Absolutely. And that is what is about growth. That you're putting your, you're putting those amount of experiences, those amount of things that you have read into places which can generate that income for you. And that is why, that's a very right thing about the right approaches. That अगर आपने अपनी tunnel vision रख ली, that this branch will be the only branch which will take me to the zenith of point which will create crores for me, that is not going to be the option. So एक ये important part हो गया that about finances. एक और part, एक बहुत important चीज आती है. स्टूडेंट बहुत बार ये पूछते हैं कि उनके पास 3 या 3 or 4 options. Maybe they love medicine. That is their first option. Now they might not be getting medicine according to the rank. अब उनके पास second option जो उन्होंने choose किया हुआ है, that is pediatrics. Let's say the third important thing that they have chosen is anesthesia. Maybe they didn't get pediatrics in a good college as well, but anesthesia they are getting in a very good college. Now here their seniors will come and tell them कि यार एनेस्थीसिया मत कर, इसमें ज्यादा स्कोप नहीं है. So this scope word I need to expand a little bit with you. That the scope of the subject is, it seems, because those people who are coming and telling them about the branch, they themselves don't know about the branch. That is what I always feel, that they usually go out, take kind of things from non-medicos. Some of the people from their family will tell, some relatives will tell that इसमें scope नहीं है. So what do you say about the scope of branches? And if a person is not choosing the primary branch, let's say they are not getting it, is it safe for them to go into the second branch of their choice?
Okay. So first thing, no medical branch has a restrictive scope. It's not restrictive cardiomyopathy or constrictive pericarditis कि मैं हार्ट को इससे ज़्यादा expand होने नहीं दूंगा. So no branch is restricting you in exploring. Just to give you example, like you said anesthesia, वो default choice है. जिनको medicine पसंद है, नहीं medicine नहीं मिल रहा है तो उनका next alternate choice is pediatrics और फिर बाद में anesthesia. And talking about the scope of anesthesia, you like most of the people think कि हाँ inside the OT उनका जो भी role है बस वहीं पे restricted है. But then who are manning most of the ICUs right now?
The major critical care system is run by them.
Run by anesthetists. And what is critical care? Basically medicine ही है. Medicine for a specialized population. Absolutely. Those who need the doctors to be on the foot. But critical care is primarily medicine. So आप anesthesia के जरिए वापस medicine में आ गए.
Correct.
And I have friends who got into anesthesia thinking that okay, one day I'll get back to the medicine through critical care. Medicine मेरा पहला choice था, नहीं मिल रहा है. I get into anesthesia and I'll do DM or a fellowship in critical care and come back to critical care. But once they got into anesthesia, they started enjoying the process, the feeling, the field. So they don't want to get into critical care now. They are happily settled. So सी बेसिकली वो जो मुन्ना भाई एमबीबीएस का गाना है ना, देयर वाज अ हार्ट ब्रेक, फिर अगले दिन ऐश्वर्या राय आई.
वही है, एग्जैक्टली वही है. एंड यू नो
हाँ.
दिस इज व्हाट लाइफ गिव्स यू, चॉइसेस
Yeah.
फॉर अ रीजन.
Yep.
अगर ये चॉइसेस आपके पास आई हैं, यू शुड रिस्पेक्ट दोस चॉइसेस एंड यू शुडंट बी टू मच टनल टुवर्ड्स कि अगर
Yeah.
मुझे वही ब्रांच नहीं मिल रही तो मैं यू नो आई विल वेस्ट माय टाइम एंड आई विल अटेम्प्ट अगेन. Maybe that attempt is not meant for you again.
Yeah.
Maybe that day is not a good day.
Yeah.
But if something you are getting, and that is in a good college, I'm not
Yeah.
saying that you completely lose out on your dream, but if you feel that it is your second option and you are getting it in a good college,
Yeah.
then definitely you should go for it and give that choice a chance.
Yep.
So दो चीजें हमने ये सीख ली, that scope of the subject depends upon the person and not the subject. It is all what you can do. Scope कभी खत्म नहीं होता for any subject. And second is financially never see a subject about and decide right now, because learning is equivalent to earning.
Yep.
जितना आप learn करेंगे उतना earn करेंगे.
Yep.